Hi there, I am Shakhawat Hossain Rifat, student of Daffodil International University from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Now I will take 3 minutes from you because it's my video resume.
Yeah, and I think I got one.
My hometown is in Netrokona, but my present address is in Shakhawat Hossain Dhaka. My father is a government service holder and my mother is a homemaker. Oh, I have an elder sister. As a CSC background student, I have not enough knowledge on programming because I am not a pro level programmer. So what? Actually, I don't like to work under any companies or IT firm because I have my own vision and I have to make it come true. So that's why I am an average level student who works for his dream. Okay, I passed SSC on 2016 and HSC on 2018. Where is my school was Faridpur Sokalmir High School and my college was Mohammadpur Preparatory School and College. So it's time to talk about my skills. So first of all, I want to tell you that I am a poor content creator. Yes, I do YouTubing for my entertainment purpose, and on the other hand, I love games to passing my leisure time. As a content creator, I have a knowledge on video editing, photography and videography also. On the other hand, I have done some courses skill development for mobile games and applications. Yes, I can make application or software for my own purposes, and I have also done WordPress website development course, and I have my own site which is www.bdcupboard.wordpress.com. It's totally makes for Bangla poems and short stories, and I like to do because it's give me some pleasure. That's why I make this website for me, because I love poems and short stories. And on the other hand, as a computer background science student, I have basic fundamental skills like MS Word, MS Excel and PowerPoint, Adobe XD and lots of software that I have a knowledge, and that's my skill. As I say, I'm not a pro level programmer. So what am I, or what is my dream, or what is my aim? Actually, I want to be an entrepreneur, and that's why I work for it, and I will be an entrepreneur soon. In 2019, I achieved second runners-up tag on GIU Battle of Minds event, and after that in 2020, I worked as a mentor on this event and achieved the best mentor tag. And so it's clear that I have a passion on my goal in entrepreneurship. So this is it. I hope you enjoying my expression, and thank you for staying with me. This is Shakhawat Hossain Rifat signing out.